Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up website heat maps with Hotjar for UX improvements, full guide step by step clearly. To set up website heat maps with Hotjar, start by creating a Hotjar account on their website. Choose a plan that suits your needs and sign up with your email. Once your account is created, confirm your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Hotjar account. Click on the Sites tab in the dashboard to add your website. Enter your website URL and choose a name for your site profile. Click on Add Site to complete the setup. After creating your site profile, you will be directed to the installation instructions. Select your preferred installation method. You can use either a manual installation or an integration with a supported platform. For manual installation, copy the provided tracking code. Navigate to your website's backend. Paste the tracking code into the HTML of your website before the closing /head tag. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, you can paste the code directly into your theme's header or use a plugin that allows code injection. Once the tracking code is installed, return to your Hotjar dashboard. Click on Heatmaps in the left sidebar. Now, select New Heatmap to create a new heatmap project. You will be prompted to name your heatmap and choose the pages you want to include. Configure the settings to determine how you want the heatmap to collect data. You can choose to start recording immediately or schedule a specific time for data collection. After you have set your preferences, click Create Heatmap. Hotjar will now generate the heatmap according to your defined specification. It may take a few hours for the data to start populating, so be patient. Once your heatmap has enough data, you can return to the Hotjar dashboard to view the results. Analyze the heatmap data to identify user behavior patterns on your site. Look for trends such as click areas, scroll depth, and user engagement on different sections of your pages. Use these insights to make informed decisions about UX improvements. Continuously monitor and update your heatmaps to stay in tune with user behavior over time. Implement changes based on your findings and keep testing to ensure optimal user experience. By regularly checking heatmaps, you will gain valuable insights to refine and enhance your website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.